Welcome students to the 11th standard of mathematics, that is from section 2. I have taken the chapter number 1, complex numbers, and from this complex number we have already studied the 2 points of this chapter, that is what are the complex number and introduction of these complex numbers, and second point is algebra of the complex numbers. What is mean by algebra of complex numbers? Means we perform the fundamental operations on these complex numbers. How to perform it? That is by adding, by subtracting, by multiplying two complex numbers, by dividing two complex numbers. Okay. This is the algebra of the complex number. We have already studied in the last lecture. In this lecture, I am going to start for the examples of the algebra of the complex numbers. Okay, how to express when we multiply two complex numbers, when we add two complex numbers into the same complex number. Let us take one of the example first for the multiplication of the complex numbers. Express the following, that is multiplication of two complex numbers means 1 plus 2i into, in the next bracket, that is 1 minus 2 plus I. Express this multiplication of two complex numbers in the format of a plus I into b. Okay, this is the question. Express this in the form of a plus I into b. Such like examples we have to going to study in this lecture. Okay, express. How to express? This is the multiplication of two complex numbers, that is take this 1 plus 2i into minus 2 plus I. Taking these two brackets and multiply with this. Okay, this becomes, how to multiply two brackets we have to already studied in the last standards. Okay, let us multiply with 1 with the bracket. 1 into minus 2 becomes minus 2 plus 1 into I is I. Next plus 2i. Multiply with the bracket. Okay, plus 2i into minus 2 means minus of 4i. 2 into I, 2i into I means plus 2i square. This is the multiplication of these two brackets. This expansion of these two brackets becomes these terms, and expressing these terms in the format of a plus I into b. Let us take this minus 2. Keep as it is. Adding these two terms, that is I minus 4i. I minus 4i becomes minus 3i. This 2 keep as it is and put the value of this I square. What is the value of I square? It is equal to minus 1. We have seen in the last lectures. Minus of 2i because, minus of 2 because I square is equal to minus 1. Value of the I square is equal to minus 1. Putting the value of this, then this plus and the minus becomes minus of these 2. Minus 2 becomes minus 4. That becomes minus 4. It is equal to minus 4 minus of 3i. And that is in the format of a plus I into b. Okay. Clear students? How to multiply and transform it into the format of a plus I into b. And this format is of the complex numbers. Let us take the next example. We have to study how to perform the multiplication of the two given complex numbers and and which are written in the format of a plus I into b. Let us take second example, that is 1 plus 2I into the second bracket is 1 plus 3I into the third bracket. How to perform the multiplication of the three brackets? We have to take on the example of this. 2 plus I raised to minus 1. This is one of the another example. Second example. Okay. Let us take. This is of the type of the multiplication of three brackets. And let us see how to perform it. Raised to minus 1 means the index is negative. How to take it in the positive? We know about the, we have already learned in the chapter indices in the last standards. 1 plus 2I and 1 plus 3I. These two brackets keep as it is and take the third bracket in the denominator, because whenever we change the numerator or denominator, whenever we change the index to positive or negative, then change its numerator or positive. Okay. When this is in the numerator and when we change this in the denominator, we take in the denominator of this bracket, then the index of this is changed, that is plus 1. For changing the index, sign of the index, we take it into the denominator. Therefore, it becomes plus 1. Index of this becomes plus 1. Okay, understand? Then take the multiplication of these two brackets. How to multiply this? This 1 into 1 plus 3I plus 2I, multiply with the bracket 1 plus 3I, and divided by this becomes 2 plus I. Okay, this becomes 1 into this bracket becomes 1 plus 3I. Whenever we multiply with 1 of any other number, then it becomes itself the number. Then multiply with 2I to this bracket, it becomes plus 2 into I into 1, that is 2I. 2 into 3 becomes 6. I into I becomes I square. Divided by this 2 plus I. Keep as it is. Then this 1 and this 6I square. I square means minus 1. Put it again the value. This 1 keep as it is. Plus 3I to I becomes plus 5I. This becomes minus of 1 into plus 6 becomes minus of 6 divided by 2 plus I. Then 1 minus 6 becomes minus 5. It becomes minus of 5 and this becomes plus 5I divided by this 2 plus I. We have take common 5 from this also, or keep as it is, students. This is the quotient of two complex numbers. This number is divided to this number. This is also a complex number, or this is also a complex number, and these two complex numbers are in the format of division. Okay, let us take the complex conjugate of this denominator. Okay, minus of this becomes is equal to minus of 5 plus 5I divided by 2 plus I into multiply and divide by the complex conjugate of the denominator. Whenever we perform the division of the two complex number, then only we use the complex conjugate of the denominator and multiply and divide it by the complex conjugate of this. Okay, this becomes the complex conjugate. The complex conjugate of this complex number is 2 plus I. The complex conjugate of this is 2 minus I. Multiply and divide also complex number. Conjugate of the complex number. Then perform again the multiplication of these two, numerator and denominator. Okay. Minus of 5 plus 5I into 2 minus I divided by, it becomes 2 plus I into 2 minus I. That becomes minus 5 into 2 is minus of 10 minus 5 minus I. That is becomes plus 5I. This 5 into 2 becomes plus 10I. This plus 5 into minus, that is minus of 5I square. This is the multiplication of the two brackets of the numerator. And in the denominator, how to perform this? This becomes 2 plus I into 2 minus I. It becomes in the format of A plus B into A minus B. Use the formula for this, that is A square minus B square. What is A square? A means 2, that square, 2 square is 4 minus B. B is I square becomes I square. That is equal to, it becomes, this I square is equal to what? Minus 1. This minus 1 into this minus becomes plus. Minus of 10 plus 5. That becomes minus of 5. Okay. This minus 10. This minus of 5 into I square. And what is the value of this I square? Is equal to minus 1. And minus 1 into minus 5. That becomes plus 5. Minus 10 plus 5 becomes minus 5. This plus 5I plus 10I becomes 15I divided by 4 minus I square. 4 minus I square means minus 1. Minus into minus becomes plus 1. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Divide by 5 with each terms. That becomes 5 by 5 becomes minus 1. And 15 upon 5 becomes plus 3I. And we have to express this given complex number which are multiplied by, which are given in the format of 3 brackets, and we have to form the new complex number, that is minus 1 plus 3I, which is in the format of A plus I. Express this expression in the format of A plus BI. What is the value of A? A is minus 1 and B is plus 3. Okay, let us see. See, what is the format of this? Is it in the format of my A plus B into I? A is here minus 1 and B is here 3. Okay, get it, students? Let us taking the next example. Okay, next example is express the third example. Third example is express the given terms, that is 1 upon I plus 2 upon I square plus again 3 upon I cube plus next term is 5 upon I raised to 4. 5 upon I raised to 4 in the form of A plus I into B. This is conversion of this. Express this in the format of A plus I into B. Let us take how to express this. We know the value of I square is equal to minus 1. And using the value of I square, we have to perform this is in the format of A plus I into B. Okay. Let us take the given expression, that is 1 upon I plus 2 I square plus 3 I cube. Okay. 1 upon I plus 2 upon I square plus 3 upon I cube. Next one is given that 5 upon I raised to 4. First, take the values of this denominator. What are the denominators? First denominator is I. Second one is I square, third one is I cube, fourth one is I raised to 4. Here I raised to 4. Okay. Let us take the values of this, all the index of this I. First we know I square is equal to minus 1. The value of I square is equal to minus 1. Then we get this value. Second one is I cube. This I cube is equal to written as in the format of I square into I. That is equal to, what is the value of this I square? I square is equal to minus 1 into I becomes minus of I. That becomes I cube. Next students, I raised to 4. I raised to 4. It can be converted into I square into I square, or use this result I cube for this. That is equal to, this I square means value of I square is minus 1 into this minus 1. It gets plus 1. We use these values for this expression. Okay. First 1 upon I. Keep as it is. Put the values of I square, I cube, I raised to 4 in the given expression. This becomes 1 upon I. Keep as it is. Plus 2 upon I square means this becomes value of I square is minus 1 plus 3 upon, what is value of this I cube? I cube is equal to minus of I. That becomes minus of I plus 5 divided by, what is the value of I raised to 4? It becomes plus 1, that is divided by 1. Therefore it becomes 1 upon I plus 3 upon minus I. It becomes 1 upon I. This minus sign and this plus becomes minus of 3 upon I. This minus and this plus becomes minus of these 2 plus 5. I have taken the real numbers and the imaginary parts to one side. Okay. That is equal to, the denominator of these two becomes same, divided by I. 1 minus 3 becomes minus of 2 divided by this I. 2 divided by I. Minus 2 plus 3 plus 5 becomes plus 3 divided by nothing but 1. Then we have to perform this minus 2 becomes minus 1 into 2 divided by I and plus 3. It can be written as like is equal to this minus 1. Value of minus 1 becomes minus 1 is equal to also I square. We have to write this value of minus 1, that is I square, into 2 divided by this I, and this plus 3 as it is. From the numerator, this becomes I square and this becomes I here. Then we have to cancel it. One I cancelled and remaining terms are this plus 3, right, first, and plus remaining terms here, remaining 1 I is there, therefore 2 into I. The given expression becomes in the format of A plus B I. The value of A is 3 and the value of B is 2. Okay. This is in the format of 3 plus 2I. Try students take another type of this type of the examples and express it into the format of A plus I into B. Practice it and tell me about the queries in the comments also. Okay, and I will try to solve your queries by seeing the comments in the box. Okay, therefore after seeing the video, you try to another examples and practice it and take how uh, to do the format of A plus I into B, which is the format of the complex numbers. Okay. Next we are going to showing the another example. show that. This type of the example we have to take a next example. What is that is show that. Fourth example, show that. This type of the example, that is root of 3 upon 2 plus I divided by 2 bracket raised to 3 is equal to 8. We have to show that the bracket is given to us, and when we solve this bracket, that here given is cube, we have to know about the cube of the brackets and expansion of the cube of the brackets. We have already studied in the 8th standard what are the expansions of the cubes of the brackets. I am going to first giving you the expansion of the bracket a plus b bracket cube. We are using this expansion for this exam. Okay. How to expand this? It becomes a cube. You know earlier in the 8th standards. Here 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Here the values of a and b are given to us. Let us take this LHS of this, that is root 3 by 2 plus I divided by 2 bracket cube. It can be written as the denominator is same, therefore root 3 plus I bracket cube divided by 2 cube. Taking the index separately to the numerator and denominator. This can be expand the bracket like this using this formula of the expansion of this a plus b bracket cube. Let us take this root 3 bracket cube plus 3 into a square. A means root 3 here. Root 3 square into b means I plus 3 into a. A means root 3 and b square means I square. Plus last is plus I means b, that is b cube. This becomes I cube. We have to expand the bracket. Divided by value of 2 cube means multiply 2 3 times. Then it becomes divided by 8. This becomes is equal to root 3 cube means multiply root 3 3 times. This becomes 3 into root of 3. This 3 into root 3 square, root 3 square means 3 into 3 becomes plus 9i. We have to simplifying this. This 3 into root 3 I square. What is the value of I square? It is minus 1. Minus and this 1 plus becomes minus of 3 into root of 3. Plus I cube. What is the value of I cube? Here we have to solve. I cube is equal to, is it written in the terms of I square into I. We have to expand this like as I square into I, and that is equal to this I square means minus 1 into I becomes minus of I. The value of this plus I cube becomes minus of I. Divided by this becomes 8. In the denominator we have to write this 8 as it is and solve this as root 3. 3 into root 3 plus and minus terms are there. Here we have to cancel it. 9i minus 1i, that is 8i. It becomes LHS is equal to, what is LHS? Is equal to 9i minus 1i. It becomes 8i divided by 8. That is equal to I. Here we have to show that I, not 8. We have to show that root 3 divided by 2 plus I divided by 2 bracket cube is equal to I. Then we have to show that this LHS becomes I and RHS of this is equal to R. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, students, try similar examples and ask the queries in comment box and your opinions also, and try to understand about the expression and how to express in the format of how to give an expression express in the format of a plus I into b. In this lecture we have to understand how to take the expressions in the format of the a plus I into b, which is format of the complex numbers, and in the next lecture we have to study the power of the imaginary number, that is I, how to take the power and how to express it in the lower power of the even imaginary numbers. Okay, let us revise the last lectures. In the last lectures, we have seen already what are the complex numbers, what are the imaginary numbers, and how to add, how to it subtract, and how to it multiplication, how to divide it, the complex number. Similar to the regular, what are the natural numbers, what are the, we perform the fundamental properties for the basic fundamental properties for the other numbers. Also we use the fundamental properties for the complex numbers also. I already studied all, already given to you all the lectures on this on the before this lecture. Therefore, you have to study this and go through this all videos, and by this lecture you get how to solve the expressions in the format of a plus I into b. Okay, thank you students, and let us see